everyone, I am Varsha Yadav from the Venkateswar School. Today we will study about corrosion of iron, that is rusting. Now first we have to understand what is corrosion. So eating up of a metal by the action of air, water or moisture we can say, so that is known as corrosion. So what happens, the metal starts to decay and with the longer time it starts to decrease in amount and an unknown compound is formed which is not usable for us, so that is known as corrosion. In case of iron, this process is known as rusting. So what happens in case of rusting, the iron metal starts to decaying and a red color compound in form of flake starts to form on it, that is known as rust of iron. So how it happens, so iron metal, it reacts with water and oxygen and it forms iron oxide with hydrated form. So this is known as rust. So how this rust starts to happen? For this there should be damp air, means the necessary condition for rusting should be, there are two main conditions, water and air. So condition for rusting are first air, second is water. So damp air fulfill all these two conditions, so that's why iron got easily rusted because of that. So it provides a lot of disbenefit to us. Also the ships which goes in the sea water, so sea water contains salt, so because of that salt rusting process starts faster on more side. So what happens there, each year we have to spend a lot of money to bring to replace that part or to paint that part. So how can we prevent the rusting process? Now we will study how we can prevent it one by one. So the first method to prevent the rusting is by oiling. So if we put a layer of oil over the iron particle, so it prevents the moisture to come in contact with the iron object, so the rusting can be prevented. So in the both condition, if we are able to control even one condition, then we can control the rusting process. So second is painting. You know, we paint all the iron railings and doors and windows at our home. So why do we paint them? It's just not for looking beautiful, it's also to prevent the rusting process. So when we paint the iron object, so it do not come in the contact of moist air and we can prevent it from the rusting process. Third method is by greasing. So if we put a grease also in the between iron object in the machinery, so the machinery not only works well, it also prevents them from the rusting also. Fourth method is by galvanization. Now what is galvanization? Putting a layer of zinc over the iron object is known as galvanization. So how it happens? All the water pipes which are having at our home and the buckets of iron, so they are having a layer of zinc over them. So because of that, the iron do not come directly in the contact of moist air. So the iron metal is prevented because zinc do not react much with the air and moisture. So galvanization is also a very good method. Now next is putting a layer of tin or chromium. You have seen the rims of the bicycle and handles of cycle, our taps at the home, so they are very shiny in nature. So how they are so shiny? Because they contain a layer of tin or chromium over them. We put a layer of this because we want to prevent our iron from getting rusted. So because of that we put a layer of either tin or chromium, so it makes the surface of iron objects shiny, also it prevents them from getting rusted also. Next method is by making alloys. Now what are alloys? Alloys are a mixture of metal with some other substance which is not very reactive. So we make alloys of the iron object. So what we do, either we can add some amount of carbon. So when we mix some amount of carbon, nickel with the iron, so we can make stainless steel. So stainless steel is a non-rusting alloy. So the object of steel, they do not get rust easily. So we can prevent the iron from rusting also. So these are the methods by which we can prevent our iron from the rusting. Thank you.